UCAN U-DRILLS set the standard for self-drilling and self-tapping screws. Available in a wide range of types, sizes, and finishes, U-DRILLS are the fastener of choice for many applications. UCAN Rust Pro multi-layer coating offers outstanding protection against salt, sulfur dioxide, and other corrosive elements. Rust Pro is also an effective barrier between steel screws and aluminum fixtures. For enhanced corrosion protection, choose 410 stainless steel U-DRILLS with Rust Pro. In damp conditions, bonded washers seal the connection and help prevent moisture from seeping into the drilled hole and causing corrosion. Painted U-DRILLS match colored surfaces. U-DRILLS are ideal for manufacturing applications. Fast, reliable, consistent performers, U-DRILLS stick to UCAN driver tips and nut setters with maximum engagement and minimal wobble. The U-DRILLS family includes specialty screws for extreme applications. Mighty Mole drills up to 3/4 inch thick steel. Cyclone joins multiple layers of thin sheet metal. And Hornet Sharp Point U-DRILLS easily pierce thin gauge sheet metal. UCAN, building lasting connections.